Okay, so once you have your eraser pretty much with the design that you're thinking about, and you want to test out your design, okay, you're going to take your ink. You only need just a tiny bit because you have a small eraser here, okay? And then what you're going to do is with your ink, okay, so I'm going to get a little bit of ink here, okay? I'm going to spread it out with my knife. And I'm just going to add it onto my roller, like so. And I will give you glass or newspaper just so you have something to roll with. And you want to hear that noise to know that your ink is evenly spread onto your roller. Once you hear this noise, that means that your ink is evenly spread and you can go ahead and apply it to your eraser. All right, so you only need a light amount. And if you notice, once I add my ink, you can kind of see what my design is going to look like, because the ink is only going to apply to the parts of your eraser or your print block that have ink or raised, okay? So once I have that, then I can go ahead and do some test prints on some extra paper that I will leave available to you just to see what it will look like. There's also a wooden spoon and some other materials if you want to try pressing with that, just to make sure you get a nice clean print. You want to put a lot of pressure on it. And there's one print, okay? So if you look at your print and you're saying, maybe I should carve into this more and just make it this line, or maybe I want to add some lines with my Lino Cut tool, okay? So I have these, maybe a little texture here. So up to you once you're testing out your designs, just to make sure your print is how you like it. And then once you're done with that, you can move on to the next part of the assignment, which will be adding it to your perspective drawing.